Autodesk Assistant delivers intelligent, in-context guidance powered by Autodesk AI. Building on its existing ability to answer questions, surface relevant help, and connect users to support resources without leaving AutoCAD, the Assistant is evolving to better understand what you are working on. With the introduction of Model Context Protocol, or MCP, the Autodesk Assistant can now interpret drawing context and user intent. This enables more situational, relevant guidance directly within the design experience. In AutoCAD 2027, this capability is currently focused on CAD standards checking, allowing you to leverage enhanced AI chat and prompt-driven workflows.